I decided, let me get back on here and let's give things a rocket. So I'm just taking a brown and I'm just gonna put it all over the lid and into the crease with a big fluffy blending brush. And you guys know I like to use BH cosmetic brushes. The color that I'm using is this brown right here. It's hard. Just look down into the mirror. So yeah, it's not trying to focus, but that highlight is popping. Anyway, so that's what I've been up to, and I've just been working and not doing much. But I'm gonna try to film videos regularly. I don't want to say daily because I don't want to make promises I can't keep, but that's the goal. Oh, also I did revamp my website, Ashotoftracy, so you guys can go there and I'll be posting on there daily because I got a lot of shit I need to say. Let me zoom you guys back out. There we go. And doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna blend it out, and some of that pigment's gonna get lost, so we're just gonna reapply. But we're putting this all over the lid up to the crease, this deep purple. Put that in the crease and on the outer corners, like so. I really haven't worn makeup in like a minute. Like, I don't really feel motivated to get up and put on makeup. Because, I mean, I go to work and it's just like, who has time to do a full face at work? And on the other side. Just to really bring out that color. And it's kind of like a halo effect, but not really, because I'm not really doing it in a halo effect. Now we're gonna go back with that brown that we used, tap it, and then just kind of go over all that. Alright, so I just did that to make it a little bit sharper. Now I am going to, because I already primed my face in the beginning, but I kind of wiped it off earlier. Now I'm using this Fit Me And $3.55 this foundation stick. I like to use this as concealer. So put it on all the spots that I want to conceal and zoom you guys out. So and then I'm gonna go in with this It brush from It Cosmetics and pat that like so. Just kind of pat that in. Make sure all those spots are highlighted. Well, all the spots that I want naturally highlighted or highlighted. And then I'm gonna go in with Fit Me foundation, and since I'm using this beauty blender, I'm just gonna take a little bit on a flat brush and apply just like that much, and apply that everywhere. Trying to make sure I don't spill my makeup. So, and then we're just gonna take the beauty blender and just pat all that in to the skin. That blends out really good. Just make sure. Make sure I get in my hairline, and then go ahead and take the bigger part and really make sure, or the flatter part. Okay, this Beauty by Radiance, and I like to use this as a contour with the end of the brush. It's kind of have a reddish tint too, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. And then I just go ahead and apply that into the hair line, like so. And then we're just gonna rub that on there. because it's kind of reddish also. But I just like the finish that it gives more. And now we'll I'm using from Daisy and Katie's Fuego. I'm actually gonna use my finger and I really love this beauty blender, so I kind of blend that in with the blender. And really get that highlight popping. Alright, and this is the final look. I hope you guys like it and enjoy it. And we are out. So that's it. So let me zoom you in so you guys can see it.